There we go. Croburger, Riki.
Hi everyone, welcome to Vida Cafe. It's a coffee shop. But there's a surprise, we're going in to see something awesome.
Hello, madame. Bonjour. Right, we have to try the Croburger.
Well, here it is. This is what we really came to Vida Cafe for. It's a thing called a Croburger, or maybe it's a Croissant burger.
Have it here, thank you very much. 2 each here, please. A piece of carrot cake, because that looks slightly. Espresso milkshake.
Espresso milkshake, as long as I can share.
Yeah, of course, you can share everything.
Awesome.
I mean, this is all for me.
No, I was going to order after you.
Okay, so they also do, you can actually buy coffee beans from them, and they've got decaffeinated and various, oh, look at that going in. It just smells like coffee in here.
What's particularly nice about this one is outside. You actually have a really nice outside area, so you can sit out here, and because it is La Croissant, you have these fantastic, well, I don't know if they're called views, but you can see the light bulb from here. This is the carrot cake. He just brought it out now.
It looks amazing.
Wow. Well, you guys will get to see us eat it in a minute.
Wow, they're so quick already.
Yeah.
He's like, pop that in the toaster.
Is that one for us or for someone else? That's for you. It's for us. While it is scorching hot, look at that cheese oozing out. Yum.
Grabbing some fresh ground coffee into the magical machines. Oh man, the smell, guys. The smell of coffee is insane. You're the master coffee guy.
Yes. Baristas.
Barista, yes. Because this requires skill.
I've tried doing this. It's not easy.
No, it's not.
To get that sound just right. Look at it foam up. Look at it foam up.
Wow. Creamy, foamy, perfect frothy milk. And then he does his magic things.
It
smells wonderful.
On top of my coffee.
A lot.
That is so cool. And stripe by stripe means caffeine in it. If he does a cross on it, it's
Decaf, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
that. You get a little Lindt chocolate with it. So if you really love the coffee and you have an espresso machine, you can come and actually get some.
Wow. So this is my milkshake. He's got a pile of vanilla ice cream in there. And then he put a nice espresso shot. So that's going to be strong and coffee. Ooh, and into this, wow, I've never seen, wow, a fancy, really fancy, what is it, a blender?
Yes. So quiet.
It's very, oh no, there it goes. Wow, now it's up in here. Wow, even up in it's doing this, but he's not touching it, look.
Oh, it's completely like electronic.
Wow. That's kind of cool. Let's pour that in. Oh man.
And here we are getting a huge pile of yumminess. Oh, and a Riki. Wait, Riki behind the Croburger. Look at that. Focus on Riki. Nice. Perfect.
Not actually getting you, Brian. I'm looking at the beautiful coffee machines. Yeah, I actually saw this on Facebook this morning.
It's the savory muffin is different. It's with 4 cheese.
4 cheeses in the savory muffin.
The cream cheese, the feta cheese, the mozzarella, and the cheddar cheese.
All in that. We have to try
Eat
that.
one of those up.
Thank you.
Look at the little monsters coming to steal my food.
They're not scared, eh?
No, they really aren't. Not yours, not yours. Oh, here comes our treat because it was so late. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, and this is the special one from Facebook. We're getting to try it first. First people ever.
Okay, so we normally come to Vida Cafe just for a simple little coffee break or something because it's very convenient here at La Croissant. But today we were hungry and they've got these new things. So we thought we'd have to share it with you guys.
Yeah. Basically, the Croburger, I've been dying to try that. I keep seeing it, but I'm never really hungry enough to actually come and do it. But this time we are for sure. But have a look at this. This is new. It's 4 cheeses.
Ooh,
What does it feel like?
soft.
Oh,
Squishy.
nice.
Oh, it's actually got tomato and lettuce and stuff and cheese like a burger but on a croissant. That's fascinating.
And is it like proper chicken?
Yeah, well, we'll see just now. This was supposed to be a B-roll video. What's up, guys? What do you want?
Yeah.
My word,
Hey,
That's classic. We'll share a little bit with you just now.
coming in. My spot.
And although I got the milkshake, guess who's trying it first?
Oh,
Nice.
wow. Oh, I really want to drink more. I really do, but Ricky's going to hurt me.
Yeah.
Maybe
no.
just a little sip. Just a little. No,
It's
I'll
an
put it
espresso
back.
milkshake.
Okay, no, seriously. It actually is coffee. It tastes like coffee milkshake. And it's cold and it's
I
yummy.
love coffee milkshakes.
This is a good one. This is a really good one. This is the Quatre Fromage, which is a fancy way of saying 4 cheese. Here we go,
Muffin.
cutting into it. It's a muffin. What does it look like on the inside?
I don't know. We have to find out. Everybody's waiting to see.
Look at that.
Ooh, that's the feta, obviously. This is coming off. Oh, it's soft.
Oh, Ricky's just going to try it just to make sure that it's. I don't know. She's going to eat it because she can, because it fell off.
Yeah, give that muffin a go.
Going with the cheese muffin, Quatre cheese.
Yeah, it's a really great muffin, guys. It's like really nice and soft. I'd probably put a bit of butter on it, you know, at home. So I might keep the rest and put some butter on at home.
Ricky's finally getting to try her milkshake. Tastes like coffee, right?
Yeah, no, that's a good shot of coffee.
Uh-huh. It's an espresso in a milkshake form. Vida e Caffé in Portuguese means life in coffee. And actually, isn't that what life is about? Sit and have a coffee. It's awesome. Well, this is what we came for, the Croburger.
It's a proper flaky croissant.
It is, it's a croissant.
Yeah,
With
and
a burger in it.
Chicken burger. Oh, chicken feels soft.
Oh, cool. Oh, look at the croissant crumbling like they're supposed to.
There's the reveal.
Oh, look at that, it's like a chicken inside. Is it like, yeah.
Look at my entourage.
And look what's happened. As soon as she cut it, they just came flooding in.
They know little bits of croissant are going to fall apart.
Yes, they do, but look at the croissant. It actually is.
Oh, it looks good.
Someone needs to try this. Someone needs to try this now. Wait no more. Riki is about to reveal all. Croburger first try. Is it a croissant? And it's a chicken burger.
Yeah, I think it's minced chicken
Okay.
with a bit of herbs and stuff in there, so it kind of tastes nice.
So a well-flavored chicken burger.
It's a lot lighter than I thought because it's not like one big solid piece of fried chicken.
Okay,
Like I
but
was expecting that to be quite heavy and deep fried, but this is actually light.
the croissant is
Battery.
so not so light.
Go ahead, Brian, give that a go.
Can't wait. It genuinely has something I didn't realize I was missing from a burger. Butter. It's like so buttery. It makes it taste so buttery. Yum. Riki literally just figured this out, but I'm holding the croissant, so I get to say it. This is like the perfect breakfast.
It is a good breakfast.
Instead of getting your ham and cheese croissant, get a Croburger.
Breakfast of champions.
You won't believe it. I've just bumped into Carol here. He comes to Vida Cafe every single day. How long have you been coming now?
Since the beginning.
Since the beginning, every single day. He's got his loyalty card. There we go.
You get these loyalty cards, and then everything you buy at Vida Cafe, 5% goes on the card, so eventually you get stuff for free.
Well, it's all about the coffee, really. I mean, these things are great, and we'll get to the carrot cake, but you get a little Lindt chocolate with it. But it really is about the coffee.
Did you put sugar in it? I didn't.
Let me go get some sugar.
My word. Ah, don't run away with all of it. Okay, so forgot to mention, you can get a selection of sugars and candy roll.
Well, here we go. I'm sure I'm not really allowed to do this, but
Kind of feel like things start innocently like this and then end up as a horror movie.
yeah, when they come and eat the food out of your mouth. They're not coming, they're scared of the camera. B-roll of Riki drinking coffee. We're supposed to turn it so we can see the Vida E logo on the cup.
Oh, wow.
The moment we've all been waiting for.
Is it going to be a good carrot cake?
Oh, it looks like it cut through all the layers.
Oh, it's got raisins.
Oh, really? Proper carrot cake with rum in the raisins.
It almost tastes like it.
Orange. Oh, you're supposed to, aren't you?
Well, that is a great carrot cake with the soury filling, carrot, and the orange. The orange was a bit of a surprise.
Someone's stealing it.
I saw that.
Because the way she was just describing it, and I'm not getting any, but I know how to pick it properly.
Wow. That's nice. It's been a while. Yeah, the orange.
And this is a great one.
Yeah, well done, you guys. What a great backdrop with the light bulb of La Croissant. And a gorgeous day.
And me. Vida E Cafe is really easy to find. You just come off the main square from where the buses are. Go check out the buses. Head towards the Intermart section. Intermart. And there it is. Right there. With the beautiful Riki. Always come standard with the Riki. Always. Maybe not always. Are you eating a milkshake with a fork? Don't give you a spoon. It works. It works. Oh, it's that thick. Where you can eat a milkshake with a fork.
Put that on your slogan.
It is a classic coffee shop. I mean, genuinely, it's got tables and chairs and also all the things that are in the coolers and all that. But you can actually come here like you would in Seattle and sit and put out your laptop and write that screenplay that you've always been waiting to do. It is screenplays, alright. As you can see, there's a laptop and you can almost read the screenplay on it. Oh, there's actually moving it around so we can see it's a screenplay.
Guys are a well-oiled team back here. Everybody's got their bit. He's doing I don't know what he's doing, a toasted crepe or something. I'm not sure.
Have a look at this. If you bring your reusable cup, you get 5 rupees off. Yeah, they also have non-dairy. And guys, don't forget to hand your cards over to get them swiped, because you get 5%. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's actually a weird sort of dichotomy. I'm not sure if that's the right word. But you can sit here leisurely and have a coffee or something. Or you can go in really quick if you're busy and on the go. So, yeah, 2 options. Kind of cool.
Wow, Vida E Cafe. It's not just about coffee. They have all those other treats. So anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Wow, it's just an interesting La Croissant fact while we're here and got a noisy escalator. The light bulb takes you to the cars as well.
This lady drives on the right hand side.
Yes, it's in the French system, not the English.